is my hair freshly washed, not detangled, literally just got from the sink. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I talk about my journey of my hair a lot, because when I first started growing my hair and I was wearing a lot of transition styles like wigs and braids and anything other than my natural hair, I was definitely a 4C type girl. Maybe 4B was in the front. When I decided last year to completely, you know, to embrace my hair, to take care of my hair, to love my hair, and to learn my hair and grow my hair, that's when she started to blossom. She started to get longer drastically. She became more healthy. The curl pattern got more defined, because I believe that all curl patterns are beautiful. My 4C was gorgeous. I still have some 4C still in here. For my shingling process, I'm going to be using Cantu for my leave-in. This is literally the only product that I use from Cantu is their leave-in. Everything else makes my hair super crunchy and it's disgusting. My oil, my mom actually bought me this. It's pure coconut oil. I think she got it from Walmart. And you know you have pure coconut oil when it's in a solid state at room temperature. So my gel that I'm going to be using, or curling custard, whatever you want to call it, is my Camille Rose Curl Maker. This baby makes curls, okay? You see these curls? These ain't nothing until Camille gets a hold of them. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, here we go. So I'm going to section off my hair. Oh, forgot to tell you that you're going to need a water bottle. Okay, your hair needs to be extremely wet in order for this to work. So you detangle. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to do a piece in the front so that you can see exactly how I do it. So like I said, it needs to be extremely wet. So I'm gonna wet it like that. And then I'm gonna put my leave-in first. Like that much. It depends on like the size of the hair that you're gonna use. Then I'm putting my coconut oil about the same amount. Make sure you're starting from your roots and you're going to your end. Okay. It's already doing this little curly curl thing. And then you take your gel. Alright. So here's where the magic is. You pull apart little pieces, and then I like take one and then twist, and then I pull down. And don't worry if it doesn't scrunch up like right away, because it will. That bad boy is going to scrunch up. And then you take apart, twirl, pull down. 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 So you're taking each individual curl, and then you're separating it and shingling literally every piece of your hair. So then it starts to look a little like that. So I'm gonna do another piece for you guys. And let's do that piece. Put that away. It's a lot of hair. Detangle. And leave in first. How do I know that I'm putting enough leave-in? I just cover all of the hair in the piece, and you can feel when your hair has product in it, when it doesn't have product, and it's more slick when it does have product in it. So I just applied my coconut oil, root to end, and then here comes my gel, my curling cream or my curling gel, Here we are. And here we go. Separate, twirl, pull down. 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 And when you're pulling down, make sure you are gliding through your hand. Separate, twirl, pull down. Separate, twirl, pull down. Separate, twirl, pull down. So it's really simple once you get a hang of it, because I know my first time doing it, I was like, what? And I was definitely not going this fast. So here's a slower. Separate, twirl, pull down. 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 So I do have a lot of hair in my head, and it's gonna take me some time, so listen to some music while I'll do this. excited. Alright guys, so this is it completely shingled out. What's next from here, because obviously there's a little shrinkage, is you blow dry it completely dry. And I'm gonna So here we are, blown out, curls, luscious, looking good. All right, let's push to the back, and then little bobby pin action going on right there. A little pinned up in the front. Yeah, I think it's photo shoot time.